Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use HelloFresh gift card or redeem it. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So in order to go ahead and redeem a HelloFresh gift card, go to hellofresh.com/gift/redeem. So I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you. Open any browser you prefer using and then head into hellofresh.com/gift/redeem, just like that, and click on search. And once you do so, you're going to be on this page right over here where it's going to verify if it's you. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your code here and click on redeem, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.